Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to track your email campaign opens and clicks, and what the free plan limits are. First, go to your campaigns page, find the campaign you want to check and click on its name. This opens the campaign report page. On the report page, look for the main statistics at the top. You will see a number for sent, a number for opened, and a number for clicked. These are your basic engagement metrics. Now, to see exactly who opened your email, look for a tab or button that says Opened or Email Opens. Click it. A list of contacts who opened the email will appear. To see who clicked a link, look for a tab that says Clicks or Clicked Links. Click it. You will see a list showing which contacts clicked and which link they clicked on. Now, a very important part, the free plan limits. Agile CRM's free plan has a sending limit. You can send emails to up to 1,000 contacts per month for free. Once you hit that limit, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan to send more campaigns. The tracking features seeing opens and clicks are available in the free plan, but only for the emails you are allowed to send within your monthly limit. And that's it. You can track who opens and clicks, but remember to stay under 1,000 emails per month on the free plan. If this clarified tracking for you, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.